Okay, today we're going to evaluate the Jeep Wrangler exhaust system for the 2019-2020 Jeep Wrangler. This happens to be a four-door with a hardtop, and what we're featuring today is the MRT dual exhaust. This has dual tips out the rear, so it has a good stylish appearance, and we're going to evaluate the performance sound of it. So at startup, you can hear a nice deep rumble. For the around town or the simulated city driving, just got a nice deep whir to it. Really pretty nice. It sounds very deep for a V6. All right, now we're gonna accelerate getting on the highway. Definitely sounds off more. You get a nice growl to the exhaust under acceleration. But now we're steady state on the highway, 75 to 80 miles an hour. It mellows right out. It pretty much just falls into the background. You hear wind noise, tire noise, and that's predominantly what you hear. You pick it up a gear and you get a little bit more exhaust presence. Nothing overwhelming or annoying. So for the look of me, I would give this about a 9 out of 10. The exhaust note definitely sounds like something is different. The dual exhaust, the nice polished stainless tips are very handsome, get your attention. As far as performance, probably give this in the 7 to 8 out of 10. It's got a straight through design, so very low restriction, good performance. Drone. There's a little bit of drone in play. I'm going to probably give it a 3 out of 10. It's really kind of hard to pick up on. You're hearing a lot of other noises as well, so nothing obnoxious, nothing that's howling or make you not want to drive the vehicle. So for a very good sounding, very good looking, good performing exhaust, I think we nailed it with this one. Give us a call, we'll send you one.